Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip spider cookies. Okay, for the ingredients for this, you're going to need 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 12 tablespoons of butter, which is a stick and a half, and you want that melted. So I went ahead and melted mine in the microwave and then cooled down until it's warm. Then we need 1 cup of light brown sugar, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then we're going to need 2 cups, which is about a whole entire bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And there we have our little spider. He's ready to help us. All right, first let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 325. All right, in a medium bowl, we are going to go ahead and whisk our flour, our baking soda, and our salt. Next, you want to add both of your sugars in with your melted butter. Make sure your butter is warm and not really hot. And we are going to beat that with an electric mixer until it is combined. After that's combined, you can go ahead and add your egg yolk, and your vanilla, and you just want to mix that again until it's combined. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients in just a little at a time, stirring each time in between until it is combined. That looks good. So next, we are going to add in 3/4 cup of chocolate chips and fold those in. Okay, those are nice and combined in there. Next, we are going to scoop these onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, just about probably a tablespoon size amount, and we are going to cook those 10 to 12 minutes at 325. All right, my first batch just came out of the oven, and I went ahead and added 4 chocolate chips on the top of each of them, and you would just want the point side up. So you want to do that when they're still pretty hot. And if you have any chocolate chips showing, I try to put my chocolate chips that are going to be on the top over top of those. And now I'm going to transfer these to a cooling rack. Okay, while the last batch of cookies are cooling, we are going to go ahead and melt the rest of our chocolate chips in 30-second increments in the microwave, stirring them each time until they're completely melted. Okay, that is nice and melted. Now we are going to just scoop that into a Ziploc bag and cut the very, very, very tip. You want it to be a very small cut to make the little tiny legs. Okay, our little spider cookies are all ready. You just basically cut off the tip of your baggie with your chocolate inside and just make legs. Like I said, the smaller the hole, the better, because you do have to make a lot of little legs. I really liked when I added just 3 chocolate chips on top. It was a lot easier to make those little legs than it was the 4. But I think they turned out really great, and we'll have Taste Tester have a little taste. Okay, Taste Tester, what do you think? Do they look like little spiders?
Yes.
Okay, have a little taste.
Yum. Yum.
You like it? All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I like it.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. I like it.
Bye.
Bye.